Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Today I like to give a whoop whoop to Curls Natural. Girl, you was the first one to comment on my page again. So I'm giving a whoop whoop to you because your bell notifications are on and you are on it. So I see you see me, so I want people to see you. And guys, the way to get one of these whoop whoops is to be the first to comment on my page. If you can comment down below whoop whoop, first commenter or something with a whoop whoop in it, then I will absolutely know that you was the first to comment on my page, and then you will be featured in one of these sub faves shout out. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it, a subs fave shout out. So you guys, I am gonna stop rambling. I am going to show you how I make a simple high bun on my hair with my bigger mini braids in. I know you guys are probably like, girl, these aren't big, but if you are not new to this channel, y'all know how small my mini braids really are. So I'm going to show you how I get a high bun on my bigger mini braids. So if you're interested in this video, then keep watching. Now, first off, my hair is still stretched. I have not washed my hair yet. Those videos will be coming up soon. But today is August 14th, and my braids have been in my head since July 24th. That's when I finished my hair. And I do have flakes in my hair, but this is not what that video is about. My hair has grown out quite a bit within these last couple of weeks, but I just wanted to show you guys, you see the flakes? I just wanted to show you guys how I've been wearing my hair. I didn't want to come on here and do like 50 different styles of how to wear your mini braids, because I do not wear my mini braids like that. The way that you just seen me take my hair out, that's the way that I wear my hair 90% of the time around the house. And then if I want to go out and have my hair look a little better, this is the way that I am all about, like making sure that my hair is not pulled, especially even like when I have weave in my head, which has only been twice. I had box braids with weave in my hair. I am really big on not pulling my edges, making sure that my hair is comfortable and that my hair has the opportunity to grow in its protective style and not jeopardize. Like, I don't want my hair to be in any harsh style that it's just basically ridiculous to have a protective style in if you're going to break off your edges in the protective style. So that's what I'm trying to say. So my buns pretty much consist of me pulling all of my hair up, half up and then half down. This way I'm controlling how tight my edges are in front, and as you can see, I still have two strings hanging down, and I will just gently pull those up. So now that I got the front of my hair to look the way that I want, I have to get the rest of my hair back here in a ponytail or up in my bun. So I want to make sure that all of my braids are the way that I want them to sit, making sure that there's no lumps or bumps in the front of my hair. And then I slowly start adding a little bit of hair at a time to the back, from the back up to the bun or the ponytail itself, just to make sure that I'm not disturbing like my braids up here that's laying flat. I like to switch my head around and then pull some more of the braids from the back and bring it up to the ponytail. So I'm gonna continue to do that until I get to the nape of my hair. And you have to protect your hair all the way around, the nape and the front of your hair. So just making sure that all of my braids are laying the way that I want them to and not pulling them too tight. My buns are never ever tight because for one, you just straight get a headache, and then for two, you're breaking off your hair. Like, and we don't want to break off our hair. Now, as you can see, the nape of my hair actually reaches to the top of my ponytail. If you have shorter hair, you can do bobby pins, but I don't necessarily care about putting bobby pins in my hair because I'm not good at putting bobby pins in my hair. I will grab them if I absolutely have to use it, but if I don't, then I'm pretty much using a scrunchie. So I wrap my hair, like basically I twist my hair around itself, and I'm holding the base of my hair. And once I get a good couple of twists going on, like as you guys can see, I'm twisting my hair. Then I just bring my hair to the left because that's the way that the bun has started to form. And then I just twist my hair around again. And then I tuck my hair up under itself. And at this point, I might use a bobby pin depending on where I'm going, or if I don't want this scrunchie. Like if I don't want this little scrunchie to pretty much be seen. Like it all depends on where I'm going. But if I don't mind my scrunchie being seen, then I will just throw the scrunchie on, which is pretty much what I do. The scrunchie is black. Now I try to just flatten out the top of my bun really quick and just make sure that it looks full. But like I said, for the most part, I don't make a fuss about my hair because I'm never really going any place to where I need to make sure that my bun and my hair is just perfect. This is perfect enough for me. If you want to make, you know, like another bun, but this is like literally a mom bun, I take a little bit of beeswax, like the Maurice beeswax, and I take this very sparingly. I would drag my fingernail up the back of it. And then for my hairs that are kind of flyaways, I will put a little Maurice on the edges. Like I will take it and then put the Maurice like this on my hair. And I don't do this often either, guys. Like I said, this is just if I'm not wanting my hair to look super crazy, if I'm trying to look a little bit more decent, I guess you can say, for my husband, and my hair ain't just all over the place every time we go out. Then I try to spice up my edges, kind of lay them down so they don't look crazy. But for the most part, I don't do my edges, and as you can see, I'm just wiping them. I'm not trying to get y'all ocean sick or no nothing. We ain't on no boat, we ain't on no ship, we ain't on no cruise, so y'all won't get wave sick here unless I do a low bun. And then my hair, you know, when I lay my hair down, I be having all the waves in the world in my hair, but that's just natural. I don't be swooping and duping them. It's just a natural swoop and dupe. But I will lay down my edges like this. I live in Seattle, so it don't get hot. So this is good enough for my edges. I will lay my edges down. And if you want your edges to lay down really, really good, do this overnight. Especially if your hair, if you're using like a wet product, like most definitely do this overnight. If I know that I was going somewhere like the day before, then I will most definitely do this overnight if I wanted my hair to look a certain way. But like I said, this is just a really quick, like, I don't want my hair down because, like I said, I am a mom and I have my son either in his Moby or on my back, and I don't want him pulling out my hair any more than what postpartum already has stripped out of my dang edges. But as y'all see, my edges is grown back. They're full, they're thick. So I'm gonna leave this sitting on my hair for probably 10 or 15 minutes finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna take this off of my hair, and then my edges will be laid flat. So this is how I do my simple bun. I felt like I needed to explain that because I don't want my edges to be pulled tight. I don't want the nape of my head pulled tight. And if you have braids in your hair, like I said, I will grab a bobby pin, maybe one, if I absolutely don't want my scrunchie to be showing. But since my hair is black and my scrunchie is black, I don't necessarily mind it. And I'm not like have to be put together stickler like that, unless I'm going somewhere super fancy. Like if I'm going out to a dinner or something, like of course I'm gonna grab a bobby pin and not have a scrunchie showing on my head. But literally 90% of the time we're either just going to the grocery store, going to the park or something, and it's not that dang serious to try to be looking super perfect. But I wasn't like that before I was a mom, and now that I'm a mom, I'm sure not like that, because it's like, who got the time? She don't. Not this mom. I don't care. Not this mom. I'm doing so much other crap to be worrying about if my scrunchie's showing. So that was a ramble. So pretty much I felt like it was important to give a good description of how I wear my hair, because a lot of you guys ask me how I wear my hair, and I will show y'all like different styles just to kind of spice it up for those who like to switch up their styles. But literally, I like to come on here and be honest with you guys and show y'all the real way that I actually wear my hair, of keeping my length and length retention, how I would do my edges. If I do my edges, I don't use a toothbrush for the most part. Like I don't use a toothbrush. I don't do my edges often. So yeah, just to let you guys know, I do like to be really transparent, and just because I'm making this video, I'm gonna show you guys what my edges look like just within these 3 minutes of me talking. This is how my hair looks. Like that Maurice lays your hair really fast, but like I said, it's a little bit of a difference, but it's not like no swoop-de-doop me type of difference, you know what I'm saying? But this is just like a really cute simple bun that you can, it's like, hey, her braids is in a bun, they're protected, your edge is protected, your sun ain't pulling your edges out, and your hair is protected. It's not all over the place. So hopefully this video helps with this simple bun. Hopefully I didn't talk too much, but I probably did, but it's okay though. You got some great tips in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.